Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the top 3 programming languages of all time. Please subscribe to our channel, like the video and leave a comment which language you prefer. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so that when I upload a new video you will get notified. Coming in at number 3, we have Java. Java is a class-based, object-oriented programming language that is designed to be portable and run on any device that has a Java virtual machine. It's one of the most popular programming languages in the world and is widely used for developing applications for Android smartphones and desktop applications. At number 2, we have Python. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language that is widely used for scientific computing, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. Its easy-to-read syntax and its ability to work with libraries make it a great choice for beginners and experts alike. And finally, coming in at number 1, we have JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language that is used to add interactivity and other dynamic elements to web pages. It's a client-side language, meaning that it runs in the user's web browser and is widely used for creating interactive web applications and websites. So, there you have it, folks, the top 3 programming languages of all time. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, each of these languages has something to offer. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more great content.